Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing quote-unquote travel bubbles. This is something we haven't really discussed in earnest here recently, but it appears that possibly travel bubbles may be in the offing and kind of a phased-in return of tourism here in Thailand. A recent article, I found this on the found this on thaivisa.com. Article is titled New Buzzword, Area Quarantine, Thailand Set to Open Resorts and Islands as Three Ministries Tackle Tourism Crisis. So they're quoting in here from the tourism minister, Pipat Ratchakiprakan, but the main point I'm trying to make with this article, or what we're trying to tease out, is the travel bubble issue. So, quoting directly, in the first phase, long-stay tourists will be targeted for the main tourist area. Then, quote, travel bubble, unquote, countries will be identified from the third quarter, that is, as early as July. These countries that have been as successful as Thailand in controlling the pandemic and delivering the vaccine, the selection of areas where tourists have been well known to stay at least 1 month and possibly as long as 3 is seen as vital to success. So long story short is it looks like, first of all, area quarantine, and we've talked about that in other videos, appears to be sort of the name of the game. This is kind of the new buzzword. But then also it looks like from possibly the third quarter, looking at possibly as early as July, we could be seeing, countries being designated as quote-unquote travel bubble countries. And then once that designation is applied, who knows, maybe folks from those jurisdictions might be able to travel into Thailand with a very truncated, like extremely truncated quarantine or no quarantine at all. So again, remains to be seen, but I think these are all good developments with respect to the return of tourism to Thailand, and we will certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation progresses.